digging into some pointers I was checking on. I think we have the largest number of languages in our country across from compared to the world.
Yes.
To imagine the culture and the content from these, right? I think we have some 150 languages in our country. I don't know which country has that anywhere in the world.
Not to my knowledge, no.
Have you been able to optimize that? No. Look at the
No.
look at the film industries within India compared to the success of a Korean band called BTS. They are today amongst the top 5, if not top 3 in the world. A Korean band. What stops from an Indian artist, and some of them are doing that, whether it's a Diljit. I mean, look at the success of Anirudh. He is now filling up stadiums and filling up 30, 40,000 people. So it's no longer the language as a barrier. It's no longer the conventional Hindi or the mainstream language. It's about an artist who brings in great content. So I think if promoters and artists can collaborate together, understand what is the offering, and structure it right, I think there is no stopping the power of India to the world, not just within India.
Absolutely. And I want to share with all of you sitting here that it's not easy to push India within the Indian experiential ecosystem itself. You have to make the sacrifice by taking hits on one's own profits, because simple things like saying that I want to wear Indian artistic saris at events to promote artisans from across the country also ends up with you being labeled in a certain category, which causes lots of business. But God has been kind, and over the years I have chosen to do so despite being categorized. And I think in small ways and big ways we should all make these contributions to making sure that India stays main stage as the orange economy takes flight. Ladies and gentlemen, growing up I had this favorite song from a very, very old film. I saw it thanks to my dad's interest in films. Can we please play that? Every time I step on a stage, this is what goes through my mind. जहाँ डाल डाल पे सोने की चिड़िया करेगी बसेरा, वो भारत देश होगा मेरा. Let's take a look and I'll wrap this up after this.